As an easy-to-use app, DJI FLY helps you edit footage quickly and efficiently, sharing the joy of your flight with just a few taps. Open DJI FLY, enter Album, and tap Create on the bottom right of the interface to access the editor. You can either use Template or Pro mode to edit photos and videos. Create with the Template mode. In this mode, select from different templates on the right side of the screen and tap Apply. Import the amount of photos or video clips required, and the app will edit them into a video automatically with a preview. Tap the clip at the bottom of the screen to preview, cut, or replace. Create with Pro mode. In Pro mode, you can import one or more photos and videos, which will be arranged automatically in the order that you select them. Select a photo for tuning or zooming, or select a video clip to cut, tone, adjust volume or speed, or even play it in reverse. Transitions are also available to add some creative flair to your work. After editing each video clip or photo, you can also add filters and music to the entire video. The background music can be cut to fit in different video clips. To do it more quickly and accurately, use Rhythm to add music beat points to the video. This will help you cut the video into different parts and add transitions effortlessly. Share your creation. After editing is complete, tap Done on the top right of the screen, and the video will be saved locally on your mobile device. Don't forget to share your creation on social media.